Dealerships are shutting down. Repairs are getting insanely expensive. And some once famous car brands are quietly collapsing right in front of buyers. This isn't hype. It's data. Sales are crashing, recalls are exploding, and resale values are falling off a cliff. Before you buy your next car in 2026, you need to see this. These are 7 car brands collapsing faster than most people realize. Number 7. Fiat. Fiat has practically disappeared from the US market. From over 46,000 sales a decade ago to barely over 1,000 cars a year. The brand is no longer relevant to American buyers. Reliability concerns, poor resale value, and a shrinking dealer network have turned Fiat into a risky purchase. In 2026, buying a Fiat in the US means betting on a brand that already lost the market. Number 6. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo looks stunning, but ownership is painful. Sales are dropping, dealerships are closing, and reliability scores remain far below average. Repairs take longer, parts cost more, and resale values collapse fast. Alfa still sells emotion, but in 2026, emotion won't save your wallet. Number 5. Mini. Mini is no longer the fun, affordable icon it once was. Prices have climbed into luxury territory, while reliability and practicality haven't kept up. For the same money, buyers get larger, more reliable cars from Honda, Toyota, or Mazda. Mini's shrinking lineup and high ownership costs are pushing buyers away fast. Number 4. Lincoln. Lincoln struggles with identity. It's priced like luxury, but feels too close to Ford. Recalls tied to electronics, cameras, and safety systems keep stacking up, while the brand lags behind in EV development. Buyers looking at Lexus or German rivals see Lincoln as expensive without being truly premium. Number 3. Buick. Buick survives largely on older buyers and overseas sales, especially China. In the US, the lineup is thin, brand identity is unclear, and younger buyers ignore it, with added investment hesitation from dealers and weak demand. Buick's future in America looks increasingly fragile. Number 2. Chrysler. Chrysler is now a one-product brand. With only the Pacifica and Voyager left, the lineup is dangerously thin. Sales continue to fall, recalls damage trust, and younger buyers want SUVs and EVs Chrysler doesn't yet offer. In 2026, Chrysler feels like a brand waiting for a comeback that may never arrive. Number 1. Nissan. Once trusted, now avoided. Nissan's biggest enemy is its own reputation. CVT failures, electrical problems, falling resale values, and shrinking model options have destroyed consumer confidence. Sales are down, reliability scores remain weak, and buyers are moving to competitors. In 2026, Nissan tops the list as the most risky mainstream brand to buy. These brands aren't just struggling, they're losing trust. And when trust disappears, so does resale value, parts availability, and long-term ownership peace of mind. Before you sign anything in 2026, make sure the badge on your hood isn't already collapsing.